Good evening. So I have been so busy the last few days, but I wanted to show you this tutorial. I've been working on this for a few days and I'm testing out my new phone. I've finally got my new phone. So I wanted to show how to do a very, very easy yarn over, and I'm going to make several squares with lots of different patterns, and I don't know what I'll do with them, but you know me, don't waste the wool, got to do something with it. So I'm doing a little garter stitch border around the edges, and I just wanted to show you how I'm doing a simple yarn over at the moment, and you can change this up any way you like. I think next time I would have more space in between these holes. I would have more rows, but I just wanted to test myself on how to get one exactly in the middle, which wasn't easy for my brain. But this is just a beginner way of doing yarn overs. There's lots of different ways to do these, so I'm just going to knit four for my border. And then I've chosen to start the next slot so it doesn't line up. I'm knitting 3, but you can put as much space in between yours as you like. And then I'm knitting 2 together, which will decrease a stitch. And then the way I yarn over is bring it this way and over the needle. Some people go this way, but I've been going this way, so bring it forward like you're doing a purl, and then just carry on with your next knit stitch. So there you've brought it forward, and just carry on with your knit stitch. 2, 3. I'm doing 4 in between each, but next time I think I'll do more. So then I'm going to knit 2 again, and then my yarn over is bring it forward as if you're doing a purl, but go into your stitch like a knit, and then just go up and around and knit your next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2 together, bring your yarn forward and just carry on knitting. So I plan on changing this up at some stage and doing more squares with different patterns, and I'm going to put them all together. It won't be a blanket, I don't think. It'll be something weird to wear, so I'm not really sure what I'll be doing. So I will finish this row just exactly how I've been doing, and then I'll come back and show you the purl. Right, I have come to the end of my row, and so now I'm just going to knit my 4 edge stitchings for my border. This is just what I'm doing, but you don't have to do that. You won't be doing that if you're doing a cardigan. And then you just purl as normal. So these are my, I'll just show you what that yarn, there's the yarn over stitch. So just purl that as normal, and I pull it really tight on the next stitch. So you just do it as normal. So you can use this for, there it is again. Got to be careful you don't lose it. And I just pull tight on that next one. And so that's just how a very simple, very, very simple way. Don't want to lose my stitches. I need some of those things to go on the end. And there's my hole up there. I call it the Hollie stitch. But you can put them together really close and make a lace stitch. And so that's just the basic way that I've been doing this. I've been wanting to learn this for ages, and do you know, I got really confused. So there you go. There's how you do your really simple stitch, and you can change this up and put it on anything you like. I hope that's been helpful. Bye.